When we did our measurements in step 1, we found that the secondary wall was a 1/4 inch off square. So we're going to have to cut our panel to allow for that. This is a rare situation though. If the walls are squared properly, you can install the panels without cutting. Again, always use finesse when moving these panels. I like to use suction cups, which I apply just above the panel's halfway point to get a firm grip. Each suction cup is designed to hold 80 pounds. One Sotera panel weighs 90 pounds, so 2 cups give you more than enough lifting power. However, if the red safety line ever begins to show, your suction cups are losing pressure and need to be repumped. When laying panels onto your work table, use the edge of the table as a pivot point. Be careful not to leave too much overhang. If there's more than an inch of overhang, you risk breaking the panel. Position the panel so the edge you want to cut is closest to you, and then use tape to mark your measurements. The wall that we're about to clad measured 36 inches at the top and 35 1/4 inches at the bottom. So we'll mark the top corner at 36 inches and the bottom at 35 1/4 inch. This will create a diagonal line that will match the angle of the framing error. Line up the Festool guide rail with the 0 mark on the top of the granite and clamp it down. Then hook the dust extraction unit to your saw. Set the dial to auto and turn the vacuum all the way up. This will engage the vacuum when you pull the trigger. When cutting, remember to wear earplugs and safety glasses. Diamond tooling operates at frequencies you can't hear but are damaging to the human ear. Run the Festool on the guide rail along the cut line and remove the cut piece. Clean the panel and take it inside and dry fit to the wall to ensure it will install properly. Granite panels can be applied with thin-set, Laticrete epoxy, or pure silicone. Butyl tape is used for marble panels, and more on that later. Remember, if this is a new construction installation, you'll finish your wall preparation prior to applying any adhesive. Apply your silicone adhesive by drawing 6 to 8 inch circles right onto the wall spaced every 10 or 12 inches. Silicone is a great adhesive, and the circles add strength by creating suction. Set the panel in place and gently push it to the wall. It'll hold with a slight push because Sotera panels don't weigh much. Use your level or straight edge to press the panel snugly against the wall. Again, finesse the stone. Just push a little at a time. The goal is to push any bows out of the panel, making it flat to the wall. If you don't do this correctly, you'll have to scribe the sidewall panels to accommodate the bow. Once the back panel is in place, use the same process to apply the sidewall panels. All set, Monty?
We're looking good.
Okay, now you're ready for step 6, installing the valve wall.